Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'll be unboxing and installing the Lorex 1080p wired video doorbell cam, model number B241AJDE. If you find this video helpful, remember to like and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get started. This camera typically sells for $109.99 on Amazon, but I got it on sale for $89.99 Canadian. In the package, you'll get a couple of pamphlets, 2 stickers, and the instruction manual. You get the doorbell cam, model number B241AJDE, which records in 1080p resolution. You get the mounting bracket and 2 wedges for better placement of the camera, which are all made out of plastic. You get the extension wires, hardware, and a release pin. The 32 gig micro SD card comes pre-installed. Note that this can only be connected to wiring with the voltage of 16 to 24 volts alternating current. For my installation, I'm using the 15-degree horizontal wedge, which simply snaps into the back of the mounting bracket. When ready to install, the doorbell cam will just snap into place. Before we begin the install, turn off the power at the breaker. Previously, we had the Lorex LNW DB1C, which lasted us several years. However, due to the cold climate, the motion sensor was no longer working properly. This camera required a separate Chime kit, which is no longer needed for the new camera. I use the existing wiring, which needs to be fed through the middle of the mounting bracket. If your current wires are too short, you can use the connection wires included in the package. You will need to drill 2 holes to mount the bracket to the siding. The wires are interchangeable and can be connected to either terminal. Push the wiring back in and press the doorbell into the mounting bracket until you hear a click. Turn the power back on. Download the Lorex app, create an account, click Add Device, and follow the instructions on the app to complete the setup. As part of the setup, you'll be required to set a device password. Keep this in a safe place to prevent any issues in the future. Once the doorbell cam is ready to use, the LED will display a green color.